Brought to you by awesomefilms.org. So the nice hot coffee drink that I'm going to share with you today is the Coffee 52. Alright, so what we need is a ½ ounce of everything. ½ ounce Kahlua, ½ ounce Bailey's, ½ ounce Grand Marnier. Ready? Here we go. ½ ounce Kahlua. ½ ounce Bailey's. ½ ounce Grand Marnier. Awesome, looking good so far. Now some nice hot coffee. Nice hot coffee. Oh my gosh, that looks good. There we go. Awesome. Now it's really awesome drink. All right, want to whip this really hard. Nice little peak there. Put that back in there. The Coffee 52. Tasty drink.